Right? It's so crazy.
So, one of our Remezans by the name of Lady Q requested that we do an episode. She says she's been feeling a lack of chill vibe absorption lately, and she wishes that there was an outer space episode to nod off to. Outer space, huh?
Oh, dear.
Well, Lady Q, we hear you. And though we aren't space professionals or any sort of science teachers, we shall do our best. Right, fellas?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Sweet. Welcome back, fellow Remezans, to REMBlockRadio, the last remaining source of Rem City. I'm Bradley, and with me are Deji D and Charles Waltman, and that is that.
Yep.
Feel free to doze off, do the dishes, eat a pizza, chill, gummy it up. We're here for it. So, what is outer space?
Good question.
We've been floating up here for Rem knows how long, surrounded by this incredible void of the unknown, filled with scientific terminology that I, for the life of me, know very little about.
Yep.
So, what is outer space? Deji, can you please share with the viewers what outer space is exactly?
Oh, okay. What outer space is exactly?
Good luck, Baba.
I'll do my best to explain this. Sure, okay, here we go.
Come on now.
Let me check my notes here. Okay, so outer space is the vast, seemingly endless expanse that exists beyond our own atmosphere.
All right.
Unlike the Earth dimension, space is a near perfect vacuum. There is no air to breathe, no weather, and very few particles. Because of this lack of atmosphere, there is no medium to carry sound, and temperatures can fluctuate wildly depending on exposure to the sun. Despite being most empty, outer space is home to everything outside planet Earth: the moon, the sun, planets, stars, galaxies, comets, black holes, etc., etc., etc. Gravity still exists in space. It keeps planets in orbit and holds galaxies together. Space also contains cosmic radiation and solar winds, which Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere usually protect you guys from. All of you Earth dimension Remezans, that is. Anyway, exploring space helps scientists understand the origin of the universe, the potential for life elsewhere, and even our future. And that is the best and most detailed I care to get about space by reading the notes that I made.
Yeah, like a lot of that went through one ear and out the other.
I found it fascinating.
I mean, what does cosmic radiation even look like? I can imagine it would look like the glitter ink from those gel pens from the 90s.
Yeah, that or shiny Play-Doh.
Oh, shiny Play-Doh.
When you look out the window right now, and all you really see is the thick black of lightless, distant vacuum of space, I don't even know where to go or how to start trying to begin to understand what I'm really seeing with my own eyes.
Yeah, don't trip yourself out, Baba.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Charles. Anyways, with that said, I thought we'd do a little chill trivia on some very random facts and information about outer space. But before we do, this episode and every episode is brought to you by a deep breath. Just take a moment for yourself and stay alive by breathing in and out through the nose, like this. I have a whistly nose. Deep breath. Take yourself to the moon with it.
Oh yeah, take yourself to the moon.
Which moon, Baba?
All right, question 1. What is the birthplace of stars called?
The birthplace of stars. Like Hollywood?
Like an egg? I never thought of stars being born.
Isn't that a Lady Gaga song?
All right, guys, time's up. Give your answers in 3, 2, 1.
Frankenstein's basement.
I'm going with Hollywood.
The correct answer is nebulae, or a nebulae. Nebulae are where stars are born in giant clouds of gas and dust made mostly of hydrogen. These regions are often referred to as a stellar nursery because they are the birthplaces of stars.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, I thought a nebula was a disease.
Why?
I don't know.
All right, moving on to question 2.
Come on, Baba.
Which planet has a moon named Titan?
Ooh, Titan AE.
Oh, Attack on Titan.
Tighten your core in 3 days.
All right, time's up. Give your answers in 3, 2, 1.
Neptune.
Jupiter.
The correct answer is Saturn. Oh, by the way, Titan is larger than the planet Mercury. It has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane. Saturn also has about 146 moons confirmed as of 2025.
Whoa.
Could it have more? How do we even know?
Yeah, how do we even know?
It's a mystery.
Question 3. What is the closest planet to the sun?
Oh, I used to know this.
Well, this is an Earth dimension question, so I don't know.
That's okay, Charles. I never studied like I should have when I was young. Luckily, AU is always there for me.
You kept AU, Baba?
I'll tell you later.
Time's up. Give your answer in 3, 2, 1.
Venus.
Mercury.
The correct answer is Mercury.
Ooh.
Good job, Charles.
Nice one.
I know it.
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It's a rocky planet with a cratered surface that looks a lot like our moon. Ooh. Despite being so close to the sun, it's not actually the hottest planet because Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat. It does have extreme temperature swings, scorching hot during the day, up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit,
What?
and
Oh my
freezing cold at night, down to negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit. How does
That's
anybody?
insane.
No one would be able to survive that. Mercury orbits the sun very quickly, once every 88 Earth days, but spins slowly, so one day on Mercury lasts about 59 Earth days. Can you imagine one day being 59 days?
Oh my goodness, I get so much done.
Yeah, Mercury has no moons and no rings, and it's been visited by only 2 spacecrafts, the Mariner 10 and Messenger.
Nice.
Wow, what a special little planet.
Oh, yeah, very special. Speaking of special, here we go now with question 4.
Let's go.
Which planet is hottest in the solar system?
All right, so we ruled out Mercury.
Yeah, I dare you to say Pluto, Baba.
Okay.
Really?
Time's up. Give your answer in 3, 2, 1.
Pluto.
Oh, you said it, Baba. The hottest planet is actually Venus.
The correct answer is Venus. Good job, Charles. And all you Remisians who answered that question right.
Yeah, surprisingly, I know a little about Venus. Did you know that Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is often called Earth's sister planet because it's similar in size and composition? It has a thick atmosphere full of carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid, though, creating massive greenhouse effects. In other words, we would die immediately. The greenhouse effect is what makes it the hottest planet, with surface temperatures around 900 degrees Fahrenheit, Babas.
My goodness.
Hot enough to melt lead. Venus rotates very slowly and backwards compared to most planets, so a day on Venus is longer than its year.
What?
That's insane. One rotation takes 243 Earth days, while its orbit around the Sun takes 225 days.
What?
I don't understand.
Crazy.
I guess that means a full year is not a complete day.
Yeah, I'm not going to wrap my head around that. Anyways, let's move on now to question 5. What remains at the very center of a black hole?
Oh,
I mean,
it's nuts.
what is?
The stuff we don't know.
Yeah, okay. Well, at least we're learning it now.
Oh, so true.
All right, time's up. Give your answers in 3, 2, 1.
A rainbow.
Johnny Depp.
All right, guys, the correct answer is a singularity. A singularity is the very center of a black hole, where all of its mass gets squeezed into one tiny point. It's a spot where gravity is so strong that space and time get stretched and twisted in extreme ways. Scientists believe that at this point, the laws of physics, at least as we know them, break down and we don't fully understand what happens there. Even light can't escape near the singularity, which is why black holes are totally dark on the inside.
Ah, so it's like my grandma's closet.
Oh yeah, her closet's crazy.
No light's gonna escape from there.
All right, fellas, question 6. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way?
Type.
Yeah, I didn't know there was galaxy types,
Like types like blood type?
like dating type.
Like something clever with a typewriter?
Time's up. Give your answers in 3, 2, 1.
a super mega galaxy.
A Mario galaxy.
Very clever, guys. The correct answer is a barred spiral galaxy. I sure as heck didn't know what that was.
Well, let me read my notes here. A barred spiral galaxy is a type of spiral galaxy that has a central bar-shaped structure made of stars running through its core, with spiral arms extending outward from the ends of the bar.
Yeah, so it looks crazy.
Moving on to question 7. What does NASA stand for?
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
I forgot. Do you guys know?
I bet they're way smarter than we are.
I bet they are too, so give your answers in 3, 2, 1.
Not another sunny afternoon.
Never act stupid, all right?
My gosh, guys. All right, the correct answer is National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Yeah, me too.
Well, NASA, the U.S. space agency, was founded in 1958 and has led epic missions like the Apollo moon landings, Mars rovers, and the James Webb Space Telescope. It was created in 1958 in response to the space race during the Cold War. NASA exists to explore space and aeronautics, which means it studies space, planets, stars, and flight technologies.
All right, move along now.
All right, with pleasure. Question 8. Is Pluto bigger or smaller than the Earth's moon?
Oh my gosh.
They're like the same thing to me.
Oh, that's tough though.
Doesn't Pluto have moons too?
Yeah, but who knows?
Time's up. Give your answer in 3, 2, 1.
Bigger. It's bigger.
Yeah.
The correct answer is smaller.
Oh, no way.
Pluto is only about 2/3 the size of the moon. Pluto's diameter is 1,476 miles, whereas the moon's diameter is 2,159 miles. That means you could almost fit Pluto inside the moon with room to spare. Pluto, despite its size, has really crazy features on it, such as mountains taller than the Rockies, and crazy things called cryovolcanoes, which are ice volcanoes. I don't even know how that works. Pluto has 5 moons, whereas our moon has no moons. And yeah, there you go.
Well, that's crazy.
Absolutely. Come on, bring on the questions.
All right, then let's move on to question 9.
Come on now.
Which galaxy is moving toward us and is expected to crash into the Milky Way?
Wow, so there is a galaxy heading towards the Earth Dimensions galaxy, the Milky Way, and they're gonna crash into each other?
That is nuts. Kinda sounds like Fortnite.
Yeah.
Time's up. Give your answer now in 3, 2, 1.
I'm going Mario Galaxy again.
You know what? I'm gonna go with Andromeda from Mass Effect. That's all I know.
The correct answer is, wow, the Andromeda Galaxy. Good job, Deji, and everybody who got that right in the audience. I'm sure there are some really, really, really smart people out there.
Yeah, for sure. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest galaxy to the Earth dimension and is actually moving towards the Milky Way at about 68 miles per second. Whoa! Scientists predict that 2 galaxies will collide in about 4 to 5 billion years. Not to worry though, galaxies are mostly empty space, so stars likely won't crash into each other when they merge. Instead, their gravity will mix and reshape both galaxies into one larger one, sometimes nicknamed Milkomeda. That sounds like a weird name. Anyways, Earth dimension and their solar system will probably survive, though it might end up in a totally different part of the galaxy. Cool.
Nice.
Question 10. What element is the most abundant in the universe?
Most abundant element.
I actually know this one.
Oh, do ya? I bet you don't.
Huh.
Tell me, Baba.
No.
Oh, you're such a meanie.
Time's up. Give your answer in 3, 2, 1.
Water.
It's hydrogen.
The correct answer is hydrogen. Very good, Deji.
Thank you so much. Most of the empty space in the galaxy is filled with interstellar gas, and hydrogen makes up most of it, especially in its neutral state, ionized state or molecular state.
Nice.
I worded that wrong. Anyways, hydrogen forms the base of many other molecules, including water and even the organic molecules that make life possible.
Well, the more you know. Question 11.
Give it to me.
What is the name of the black hole at the center of our galaxy? Our galaxy meaning Earth Dimension Galaxy.
The black hole in the center of Earth Dimension's galaxy is called a mystery.
Wait. No, I don't know it.
So then why don't you venture a guess? Because your time is up. Give your answers in 3, 2, 1.
Spot.
Cookie Monster.
The correct answer is Sagittarius A.
How are we supposed to know that?
Yeah, come on, Baba.
Well, Sagittarius A is a supermassive black hole that lives at the very center of the Milky Way galaxy, about 27 light years from Earth. It's called supermassive because it has the mass of about 4 million suns, but all that mass is packed into a space smaller than our solar system. We can't see the black hole directly because no light can escape it, but scientists do know that it's there because of how stars and gas and clouds move around it. They orbit super fast, kind of like how planets orbit the sun, except way more extreme. In 2022, scientists used the Event Horizon Telescope, or EHT, to capture the first ever image of the glow around Sagittarius A. And it was a huge, gigantic deal, proving that the mysterious object at the center of our galaxy really is a black hole.
Wow. I wonder if it's like that for every galaxy.
Yeah.
Probably, but let's move on now to question 12.
Let's go.
Yeah. Make it easy, please.
All right. If you could travel at the speed of light, how long would it take to cross the Milky Way? Give me a ballpark estimate.
Oh, boy.
Oh my gosh, this could either be really ridiculously huge or really small.
Yeah.
The speed of light is fast,
Yeah, it is, but the Milky Way is giant.
but it's really small compared to the universe.
But it's undeniably unmeasurable comparative to a human's lifespan.
Time's up. Give your answer in 3, 2, 1.
50 years.
100 years.
Wow, that's a lot.
Well, the correct answer is gonna knock you off your pants because you're both way, way, way off.
Oh.
The correct answer is 100,000 years.
Wait, 100,000 years at light speed across the galaxy. That would take it that long. I can't even speak.
Well, that is correct. The Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light years across. That means if you would travel at the speed of light, which is 186,000 miles per second, it would still take you about 100,000 years to go from one side of the galaxy to the other.
Oh my goodness.
That's my line.
My mind is blown.
Well, let's just give this some perspective. Light can travel from the Earth to the Moon in about 1 second. It can travel all the way to the Sun from the Earth in under 20 minutes. But across the Milky Way, that's 100,000 years. Even at the fastest speed possible in the entire universe. Why? Because the galaxy is packed with billions of stars, dust, gas, and dark matter spread across an enormous disk. We're located about 2/3 of the way out from the center, so even getting to the middle would take thousands of years at light speed.
Wow, that's blowing my mind.
Well, let's continue to do so with question 13. This is a true or false question. The Milky Way is slowly eating other galaxies. True or false?
Well, I mean, it would be really sad if it were true.
Or is the obvious answer true because it's such an absurd idea?
Or is he asking you this question because you think the obvious answer is true because it's absurd, but really it's false?
Well, let's find out.
Okay.
Give your answers in 3, 2, 1.
True.
True. I'm going to say true.
The correct answer is true.
Wow, I thought the Earth dimension would get eaten, not the other way around. I mean, they are called the Milky Way.
Very funny, Charles. Anyways, it has already absorbed many smaller galaxies over time. The Milky Way didn't always look the way it does now. Over billions of years, it's grown by merging and absorbing smaller galaxies nearby. This process is called galactic cannibalism, and that is a real scientific term right there. Just like how big cities expand by taking in smaller towns, galaxies grow by pulling in and digesting smaller neighbors using gravity.
Wow, I wish I could use gravity to absorb some stuff around me.
Maybe you do and don't even know it.
Well, let's move on now to question 14.
Let's go.
How long does it take for light from the sun to reach the Earth?
Now, there was a hint about that earlier. Brad did say under 20 minutes.
Oh, that's right.
I forgot I gave that. Yeah, that's a hint then. Under 20 minutes.
All right, so that narrows it down to about 20 possible answers.
Oh, that's a good way to look at it.
So I have a much better chance at doing this right than winning the lottery.
Time's up. Give your answer in 3, 2, 1.
16 minutes.
5 minutes.
The correct answer is about 8 minutes and 20 seconds. I would have taken 8 minutes.
Yeah, you better.
Oh, Baba.
The average distance from the sun to Earth is about 93 million miles. That's 150 million kilometers. Even at that incredible speed, light still takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to make the trip. So when you see the sun rays, you're actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Absolutely it is. This whole space thing is crazy, but I love it. All right, and before we get to the final question, question 15, I just want to take a second and thank each and every one of you Remazans for tuning in tonight.
Yeah.
Or this morning, or whenever you listen to this. We truly appreciate each and every one of you, and we hope that you're getting your fill of chill vibes.
Yeah, hopefully you guys are doing all right. We're thinking about ya.
Yeah.
We are, Babash.
It's very true.
All right, now let's move on to question 15.
Woo!
The stars in the Milky Way never move. True or false?
Oh, thank you for giving us an easy one.
Oh, yeah. Is it an easy one?
Well, I mean, obviously they are, you know.
Oh. But do they?
Don't they?
Do they?
Oh, my goodness.
All right, time's up. Give your answer in 3, 2, 1.
True.
False.
I mean, false.
Well, the correct answer is false. The stars in the Milky Way are constantly moving, even though they look still to us because they're so far away. The Milky Way is a giant spinning disk, and all its stars, including the sun, are orbiting the center, where a massive black hole, Sagittarius A, sits, as we just learned.
Nice.
Our sun, for example, travels at about 514,000 miles per hour, and it takes around 230 million years to complete one orbit.
Oh, my
Each
goodness.
star has its own unique path, and over thousands of years, their positions shift. This slow movement is called proper motion. It's like a giant cosmic dance, with gravity keeping everything in motion. And that is the end of Chill Trivia. It was really hard to make this episode because there's so much stuff about space, a never-ending amount of information. Did I cover everything, even regarding the topic of space? Let me know in the comments below. Hopefully we fulfilled your wishes, and much love to our Remazin, Lady Q.
Much love.
Yeah.
May this episode give you the proper Z's that you deserve.
Yep.
All right. Well, to all our fellow Remazins tuned in right now, I hope you all had a tremendously chill time with us and found some quality time to relax, hang with some friends, and partake in some chill trivia.
Absolutely. And Babash, may the planets and stars fill all of your hearts. The light of the universe, the galaxy farts. Go find your peace, float into the night. A measure of time between darkness and light. Defy the sciences with heartwarming tale. Let the swell of your dreams tip the chill vibe scale. Yes, thank you for tuning in. I'm Charles, you know.
And I'm Deji D.
And I'm Bradley. And this is REMBlock Radio.